Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about some objective type MCQ which are important for your SEBI. So let's begin the session. Today's topic is costing, lean system and innovation. Our first question is the theory behind the 5S method is that the steps following one another as one progress through the process. The options are characterized, build upon, internalized and revolve around. Here the answer is build upon. So come to the next question. That is, which of the following is not one of the steps of the 5S method? Here sign, sustain, specialize and set. The answer is option C, that is specialized. Because sign, sustain, set both are the part of 5S, and there are also another two parties there, that is sort, so standardize. So total 5 parties: sort, set in order, sign, standardize and sustain. So the next question is, the 5S method of process improvement was created to help option A, manufacturing companies learn workstation order and maximize efficiency. Option B, healthcare companies establish earning goals. Option C, service companies determine the most qualified candidates for hire. And option D, environmental companies with lean waste management. Here the answer is manufacturing companies learn workstations order and maximize efficiency. So next question, that is 5S stand for. Already I have given the answers. So guys, you can try this. I am leaving these questions only for you. So come to the next, that is sign. Sign is about, what is the meaning of sign here? So here the answer is sweeping or cleaning and inspecting the workplace tools and machinery. Next question, that is who is responsible for 5S? The following options are cleaning team and maintenance, operators and cleaners. Option C, cleaners, operators, maintenance and management. Here the answer is all of the above, that is cleaners, operator, maintenance and management. So guys, come to the next questions, that is which 5S focus cleanness and data removal? Here the answer is C, that is 3. Next questions, what does seiketsu means in 5S? What does seiketsu means in 5S? Seiketsu is a Japanese word. So here the English meaning of the word seiketsu is standardize. That is standardize. So guys, next question. Question number 9. Where is Muri technique is primarily applied? The following options are new product design, improve existing operations, statistical analysis and data collection. The answer is new production. So next questions. Question number 10. What waste does POUS removes? What is the meaning of POUS? So POUS is point of use storage. Point of use storage, also referred to point of use inventory, identified what you need, how much you need and where you need it. POUS is the part of the set in order storage of 5S. So the answer is inventory, needless inventory. So the next questions, that is lean manufacturing is a way to improve customer value. So next questions, that is customer value is defined as, options are cost, delivery, reliability, response and all of the above. So here the answer is all of the above. So next question, cycle time is The options are elapsed time from customer order to payment, reduced to eliminate job, the amount of time the machine runs, improved by large lot size. So here the answer is elapsed time from customer order to payment. Next questions is cycle time efficiency is. Here the cycle time efficiency is value added time over elapsed time. Value added time over elapsed time. This is the answer. So what is cycle time? So cycle time is the time it takes to complete the production of one unit from start to finish. Tough times is based on customer demand, where cycle time is work process based. So cycle time is equal to net productions time divided by number of unit produced. So next is tuck time. Tuck time is the rate of which you need to complete the production process in order to meet customer demand. So tuck time equal to net production time divided by customer demand. Next is lead time. Lead time is the time it takes for one unit to make its way through your operations from front to end. So lead time equal to time from order to dispatch. So our total ultimate time from order to dispatch to the customer, that is lead time. So come to the next questions. The waste related to fluctuations on machines is called, the answer is Mura. What is the objective of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing? What is the objective? The following options are to reduce cost, to improve profit, to eliminate everything that doesn't add value for the customer, and option D, to optimize capital investment. So the answer is to eliminate everything that does not add value for customer. To eliminate everything that does not add value for the customer. So next questions, that is question number 17. Lean systems is based on push system on product, or pull system on demand, or both, or neither. So the answer is pull system or demand. Next questions, that is the Toyota production system developed by Taiichi Ohno, Shingyo and Eiji Toyoda and Toyota between 1948 and 1975 is a major precursor of the more generic. Here options is TQM, Kaizen, Six Sigma and lean manufacturing. So you guys know that the Taiichi Ohno is related with lean manufacturing. So this is very simple, guys. So next questions, that is lean manufacturing could be defined as, the following options are: workers eating less during work hours, a production process which is very slow and waste time, technique more motivating worker to produce more, or the option D, techniques used in manufacturing to reduce waste in all its forms. So the answer is option D, technique used in manufacturing to reduce waste in all its form. Next questions, that is question number 20. 5S, which is a tool for lean management, originated at? The answer is Toyota. Next is, which of the following would be an example of lean manufacturing? Which of the following would be an example of lean manufacturing? Here the answer is holding very low stock level, JIT, that is just in time. Question number 22. In 5S, the term sorting means. In 5S, the term sorting means. Here The answer is option A. Only have the needed tools and resource in the area. In 5S, total numbers of elements are sort, set in order, sign, standardize, and sustain. Okay. So next question, that is, what is lean manufacturing? What is lean manufacturing? The answer is a way for companies to rid of much waste that adds no value to production. That is the answer. So the next question is, in 5S, what is standardizing? Here the answer is option E. Ensure everyone is doing it the same way. Ensure everyone is doing it same way. Ensure everyone is doing it the same way. Next questions, that is, what is the step in making an organizational board? So the answer is gather all the tool into a pile. Gather all the tool into a pile. Next questions, the definition of Kaizen. Kaizen means change for better. Next questions, what does the Japanese word seiton refers to? What does the Japanese word seiton refers to? The answer is set in order. Next questions, that is, a cell. A cell is what? Is an amoeba or a layout that moves sequential operations close together, or a unit of measures, or a management tool to make worker measurable. So the answer is a layout that moves sequential operations close together. Option B. Next is the 5 W's. A root case analysis are. What is the 5 W's? The answer is why, and why. Total 5 number of why. So next question is question number 30. The goal of lean manufacturing is to increase profit by reducing what? Reducing waste, customer, employees, or the number of product sold. So the answer is waste. Next questions, that is question number 31. Which of the following is not a step in lean manufacturing process? Which of the following is not a step in lean manufacturing process? So the next question is, which of the following is not a step in the lean manufacturing? Here the answer is document policies. And the next questions, that is, which group is the focus of lean manufacturing initiative? The answer is employees. So next we are going to discuss about point to remember. That is, which point you have to remember? That is CANDO, C-N-D-O. What is CANDO? CANDO is an acronym developed by Henry Ford to make the work area more organized and efficient. So here C stands for cleaning up, A stands for arranging, N stands for neatness, D stands for discipline, and O stands for ongoing improvement. CANDO closely resembles the 5S methodology often credited to Toyota and Daiichi Ono. Next is the 7 waste of lean manufacturing. 7 waste of lean manufacturing. Number 1 is overproduction. Number 2, inventory. Number 3, waiting. Number 4, transportations. Number 5, motion. Number 6, defect. And number 7, over processing. Next is about 5S. Positive attitude is very important for implementation of 5S activity. Number 1. Number 2, it's not a cleaning campaign. Number 3, 5S activities are to create good working environment through reduction of moody, overburden, mura, that is unevenness, and the muda, that is waste. Guys, please remember this. And next is 5S can identify and reduce abnormalities and waste, improve teamwork, cleanliness, safety and production. And the last is it is a basic organizations management. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching guys. I hope it helps you. Almost I have covered the topic 5S and lean manufacturing. So guys, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.